In this video, I'll show you how you can change your name on eToro. Now keep in mind you cannot change your username on eToro, but you can change your real name that you put onto the account. So if you want to change this, you need to have some sort of proof that you have a new name or that you put the wrong name in when you made the account. After that, what you want to do is you want to head over to Help and Resources, start chatting with the bot here. If the AI bot is not able to assist you, you just want to tell it that it needs to connect you with an agent, which is a real person, and then they'll be able to help you. They're going to ask for some sort of proof, which can be a marriage certificate or a name change certificate. And once you provide that, you just have to wait a few business days for them to review it, and then they will be able to update it. Now, this is currently the only way that you can do it without making a new account. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.